All right, Jeremy here to the 347 small block Ford. Going to give you a description of this combination. It's got the Pro Flo system on it. Everything went great with it. It's got a set of our cylinder heads on it. Custom ground hydraulic roller. Nice front end on it. Go in there and show you how it ran. Alrighty, down at 3,500, it's 393 foot-pounds of torque. Looks like it peaks torque 412, peaks horsepower 426. We ran at 425. It's got a front end on it, so that's about 15, so it runs good. That's open plated manifold up there, up top, so everything's good. We'll get on a crate, come your way. Have a great day.